guys, on today's video, we're gonna factory reset this phone. Now, no matter which phone you guys have, it's gonna be the exact same instructions. So, the first thing we have to do is look for your settings. So go into your settings, scroll all the way down, just all the way down. There you go. So you're gonna see software update, tips, about phone. What you guys wanna do is go into general management. And from here, you're gonna see all the way down, well, almost all the way down, reset. So if we tap on reset, that's where you're gonna see everything. So if you want, it is your personal phone, you want to keep everything, temporary cloud backup is awesome. So I would do that if you're gonna just upgrade your phone, for example. There's external storage backup that you guys can do as well. So keep those in mind. If you don't care, you just want to wipe this clean because this will delete everything from within the phone itself. And usually you want to do that whenever you want to sell the phone or you're returning it. Maybe you're claiming some warranty on it. There you go, you will have to do this. So it's gonna say reset all settings. Then you have factory data reset. This will reset everything. All these other options will just reset some things. This will delete everything from it. So let me just go down again. So it's factory data reset, and that's what it does. So that means when this is done, it's gonna go back to how it was when you first got it. So you had to do the whole setup again. Yep, you're gonna have to do that once again if you're done with that. Okay, let me just go back. And there we go. So we're just gonna tap there. So it's just gonna check a few things. Just scroll down and just press reset. Now, something that people always ask me, do I have to take out my SIM card before you do this? No, not really, but I would. So if you guys have a SIM card there, you got a tool that came with your phone, just take it out. And if you guys lost that tool, then it's okay. You can just use an earring. And take out the SIM card. It's a little tricky sometimes. You have to use your nails to kind of get it out. There you go. Now you can place this on your new phone or just throw it away. It depends if you're getting a new SIM card. Put this back and just continue on. So we're gonna press OK. All right, so once again, you don't have to take out your SIM card, but I suggest doing so because you're gonna have to do that later on anyways. So we're just gonna press on reset, put in your PIN. So for this phone, this is my PIN. It's gonna say factory reset. So here we go, you should see this. And then just go on and press on delete all. Then what's gonna happen, it's gonna ask you for your password. Okay, so that's your Samsung password. And if you forgot or anything like that, yeah, you can reset your password. And then there you go, just put it in. But you're gonna have to do that on your tablet or somewhere else. Just reset that password for your Samsung account. And then that's it. It's just gonna reset by itself. It's gonna do its thing. And then you guys can shut it down or just set it up again. So if you are setting this up for somebody else or you wanna set it up again for yourself, maybe something went wrong with it, you just wanna start fresh. Yeah, you can set it up with everything again, because it only deletes everything from within the phone itself. So all pictures, videos, your account, everything from within the phone, but not online. So you technically still have your account online. So on another phone, you could go on and use the same Samsung account. So at this point, you should see something like so. And you can just go on and set it up again. I do have a setup video if you guys want to check that out. But if you're selling this, returning this, or anything else like that, even claiming warranty, just shut it down for now. So to force shut it down, all you guys have to do is just press these two. Actually,
press both side and volume up buttons quickly to
down
use
here.
talkback.
There you
Speak
go.
items
You're gonna
on
see
screen.
power off. And now you guys can go on and sell it, return it, whatever you guys need to do. Right now you're all done. It's wiped clean. None of your data is in here. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.